Hi, I'm Bradley Beer, CEO of BMT Tax Depreciation. 2023 has been a year filled with more than its fair share of challenges, but Australians are tough and the property market has been resilient in the face of multiple interest rate hikes and hesitant investor sentiment. Residential home prices across Australia grew by 7% over the past year to November 2023. Dwelling prices in the combined capital cities peaked in May, slung again towards the end of 2023, and settling at 8.2% growth over the past year. Perth, Adelaide and Brisbane property values are all currently at record highs, with 13.5% growth in Perth alone over the past year. The number of properties listed in this region is 40% below the 5-year average, with similar low numbers of property listings in Adelaide and Brisbane, pushing property values and purchasing activity much higher than seen in previous years. In contrast, residential property values in regional areas have shown slower growth at a rate of 3.4% over the past year. As expected, interest rates have continued to rise and many fixed-term mortgage rate home loans have come to an end, putting some Australians under mortgage stress. Despite these pressures, residential house prices have continued to grow due to the continued imbalance between housing availability and strong demand. The housing imbalance has also impacted the rental market, with national rental increases averaging 8.1% over the past year. Combined capital rental values increased by 9.7% and combined regional rent values increased by 4.1%. Despite these increases in rental values, rental yields have shown much slower growth rates over the past year due to interest rate hikes impacting mortgage repayments. First-time loan approvals have increased by 11.8% over the past year, but investor lending is still strong, comprising more than a third of the total approved loans across Australia in 2023. It's been a challenging but positive year for BMT. In 2023, the Australian Institute of Quantity Surveyors released a white paper validating our approach to property depreciation, insisting that a site inspection by an expert quantity surveyor remains the most reliable way to maximise the depreciation deductions on your investment property. They've also encouraged our industry to move away from referral fees, practice that BMT has always avoided. We completed more than 40,000 depreciation schedules this year, earning our clients hundreds of millions of dollars in tax deductions. In 2024, we will have completed close to 1 million depreciation schedules across Australia in almost 30 years in the business. Rising interest rates have done little to slow down the residential property market in most parts of Australia, with monthly sales volumes trending higher than the 5-year average, despite rising house prices and tighter lending. This upward trend in residential property prices is expected to continue well into 2024 due to the housing shortage. The difference in growth of property values between combined capital cities and regional areas have also eased. It will be interesting to see whether the cities or the regional areas take the lead in the market in 2024. Investment in alternative property classes will continue to grow in the year ahead. The return of international students is expected to stimulate the demand for student housing and for build-to-rent investment opportunities. Recovery in tourism will also boost consumer demand and growth in the hotel and short-term accommodation market. In line with this predicted growth, we at BMT have seen 15% growth in tax depreciation schedule orders for hotels and motels, affirming the expansion of this sector. Commercial property investors will remain focused on attracting top tenants who are prepared to pay for prime location and amenities, reinforcing the flight to quality trend. BMT tax depreciation orders in the industrial sector have grown by 8%, while the embattled office sector has shown a 6% decline in the requests for depreciation schedules in line with the market trends. In 2024, we look forward to playing a key role in the expansion of these key sectors. I'd like to thank our referral partners and clients for their continued support. In this new year, we once again commit ourselves to offering you the best service possible, ensuring maximum tax depreciation deductions on your investment properties. We look forward to another great year of partnering with you at BMT.